In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view someone's phone number on Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your device and use the search bar in the top right corner to quickly locate the account whose phone number you want to view. Type the username of the account, if available, to narrow down the search. Once you found the account, open it as if you want to start a chat. If you already have a chat with the person, open it. Navigate to the top of the chat, account's username, and this action will open their profile's information. In the profile information, look for the info section, and the person's phone number, if visible, will be displayed there. To know if someone has hidden their phone number, choose the person whose contact you wish to view to open the chat screen. Tap on the username at the top of the chat to view their account details. In the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots menu icon and select Add Contacts. If the person has hidden their phone number, you will see Mobile Hidden. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to ring the bell, and I will see you on the next one.